Hello, Namaste students. Welcome to Sandipni Vidya Mandir. Today we will learn about physical and chemical changes. That is class 7 science chapter number 6. Okay, we have already learned about reversible and irreversible changes. The reversible changes is known as physical change and irreversible changes known as chemical change. Alright, so a change is said to be physical or chemical depending on whether new substances are formed or not. Students, every day you come across many changes in your surroundings. These changes may involve one or more substances. Okay, so let's understand about both the changes, which are chemical changes and physical changes. Let's understand the physical change. In a physical change, a substance undergoes changes only in its physical property, such as shape, size, color, and state, and no new substances are formed. A physical change is generally reversible. In such a change, no new substances is formed. For example, melting of ice, breaking of glass, cutting papers, shine wood, freezing juice. Okay, now let's understand about chemical change. A chemical change occurs when two substances react chemically to form new substances with different chemical properties. A chemical change is also called a chemical reaction and generally irreversible. For example, rotting bananas, leaves changing color, burning of fuels, bursting of crackers. Now let's understand about the rusting. In chemical reaction or chemical changes, there is important reaction takes place, that is rusting. Okay, you must have noticed iron object like iron nails or iron gates covered with a reddish brown substances. This substances is called rust and the process is called rusting. Have you ever thought that how covers the rust on iron nails? Yes, reason is reaction of iron nails, oxygen and water. When iron is left exposed to moist air, it chemically react with oxygen and water in the air to form a powdery substances which is called rust. Okay, now question is that how to prevent iron from rusting? Yes, answer is galvanization or painting, etc. You must have observed at home that we prevent the iron object by applying the paint on it. So, rusting can be prevented by not allowing the iron to come in contact with moisture and air. The simplest method is to cover the iron object with oil, grease or paint. On the other hand, if we want more powerful prevention or more efficient method is to coat the iron with another metal such as zinc or chromium. Now this process of depositing of layer of zinc on iron is called galvanization. Okay, student, did you know who protect us like zinc in our atmosphere? Do you think? You must have heard of the ozone layer in our atmosphere. Did you heard about ozone layer? Yes? Okay. It protects us from the harmful ultraviolet radiation which comes from the sun. Ozone absorbs this radiation and breaks down to oxygen. Okay. Did you ever seen that stainless steel gets rust? No? I guess no? Yeah. But why? because stainless steel is made by mixing iron with carbon and metals like chromium, nickel and manganese, so it does not rust. Now let's learn about some chemical reaction. Okay, these are combination reaction. Combination means you can see on the slide uh, here is A plus B is combined AB. Okay, second one is decomposition reaction. AB decompose means to differentiate. AB in same AB with each other, they differentiate A plus B. Okay, double displacement reaction. Displacement. Displace means double करेगा ये. Okay, so AB plus CD it gets AD plus CB. डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो गया यहाँ. ठीक है. सिंगल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन, सिंगल डिस्प्लेसमेंट करेगा. जैसे कि यहाँ देखिए A प्लस बी सी, ये क्या किया, A और C को मैच करके B को डिस्प्लेस कर दिया. सिर्फ C को क्या किया इन्होंने, ट्रांसफ़र किया. ओके, ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन. ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन जो है कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन का होता है, जो कि क्या फॉर्म करता है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. नेक्स्ट इज रिडक्शन रिएक्शन. ये क्लोरीन का और हाइड्रोजन का होता है, जो क्या बनाता है, हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड. सो डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल द रिएक्शन? ओके, कैन यू रिवाइज? ओके, कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन A प्लस बी मीन्स, कॉम्बिनेशन मीन्स कंबाइन कर देता है. जो A प्लस बी अलग अलग था उसको क्या कर दिया, A B कर दिया, उसको कंबाइन कर दिया. ओके, डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन. डिकम्पोज मीन्स उनको डिफ्रेंशिएट कर देना, अलग कर देना. जैसे कि ए बी है, उसको डिकम्पोज कर दिए, अलग अलग कर दिए, डिफ्रेंशिएट कर दिए. A प्लस बी. डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन में क्या होगा कि वो डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगा. जैसे कि ए बी प्लस सी डी, तो उसको क्या कर देंगे, ए डी प्लस सी बी. सी और बी, डी और बी को क्या कर दिया, डिस्प्लेसमेंट कर दिया, डबल हो गया, डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट. सिंगल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन ए प्लस बी सी, that comes AC plus B. Okay, oxidation reaction. In oxidation reaction, carbon and oxygen form and make carbon dioxide. Okay, reduction reaction, that makes hydrogen chloride, which are chlorine and hydrogen. Okay, students, when we talk about the separation of a solid from a solution, there is a method called crystallization. All you are already learned about that. Salt can be obtained by the evaporation of seawater. The salt obtained in this manner is not pure, and the shape of its crystal cannot be seen clearly. However, large crystals of porous substances can be formed from their solutions. The process is called crystallization. Some of the ways by which crystal form are precipitating from a solution, freezing, or more rarely deposition directly from a gas. Okay, chapter has finished now. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me. Thank you, dear students. Stay home, stay safe.